And so what's up guys, it's Cube Avenger, and today I'm gonna break down Rathin's 10.54 personal best solve. And so let's get straight into it. And so the scramble is on screen. And so for this scramble he does white cross. So and like in inspection it does an x2, and so his cross pieces are here, 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 and over here. So first he does a D move to align these two pieces and an L for this piece, and then he inserts this F12 pair for the X cross. So like this, he takes it out, moves it away and inserts it. Then he does a Y rotation and inserts this cross edge like this. And next he sees this pair. He again rotates this way and inserts this. Now he could have done this pair, but I don't think he saw that. So he solved this pair by like this, and then he rotated like this, a U move, and rotated back. So he wasted 1 second for that pause. So then he inserts this pair, and then for OLL he again rotates. I don't know why he was rotating so much. He does the OLL, and then he got his favorite PLL, the T perm, and U prime for UF. And so it was 53 moves, 5 TPS, pretty good. And so this was 10.54 PB solve. Hope to see you guys next time, and until the next video, goodbye.